How's it going?
It's going well.
Long time no see.
Yes, it's been a while.
How have you been?
I've been fine.
What's new?
Nothing new.
How do you feel today?
I feel great.
Where have you been?
I was at home.
How's your day?
It's good.
Any plans for today?
No plans.
What are you doing now?
I'm studying.
Are you enjoying your day?
Yes, I am.
Do you love your sister?
Yes, I do.
Who is the youngest in your family?
My brother.
Who is the oldest?
My father.
Do you live with your cousins?
No, I don't.
Do you respect your parents?
Yes, always.
Do you visit your grandparents?
Yes, often.
Do you talk to your uncle?
Yes, sometimes.
Is your family big?
Yes, it is.
Do you care for your niece?
Yes, very much.
Do you share food with your family?
Yes, I do.
Do you sit in the first row?
Yes, I do.
Do you write with a pencil?
No, I use a pen.
Do you listen to your teacher?
Yes, carefully.
Do you answer questions in class?
Yes, I try.
Do you open your book?
Yes, I do.
Do you close your notebook?
Yes, after class.
Do you like your classmates?
Yes, they are nice.
Do you play in the school ground?
Yes, at break time.
Do you use the library?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you respect your teacher?
Yes, I always do.
Do you like the park?
Yes, I do.
Is there a mosque near your house?
Yes, very near.
Do you go to the market?
Yes, once a week.
Do you live in a big city?
Yes, I do.
Is the road clean?
Yes, very clean.
Do you walk at night?
No, I don't.
Do you travel by airplane?
No, not yet.
Do you like to visit parks?
Yes, I love parks.
Is there a school near here?
Yes, there is.
Do you visit the zoo?
Yes, I do.
Do you eat meat?
Yes, I do.
Is the bread soft?
Yes, very soft.
Do you drink coffee daily?
No, just sometimes.
Do you like bananas?
Yes, I do.
Do you eat ice cream in winter?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like spicy rice?
Yes, it's tasty.
Do you drink hot milk?
Yes, at night.
Is the food salty?
Yes, too salty.
Do you eat eggs for breakfast?
Yes, every day.
Do you like sweet dishes?
Yes, I do.
Is it cloudy today?
Yes, a little.
Do you like hot weather?
No, I don't.
Is it cold outside?
Yes, very cold.
Do you enjoy rainy days?
Yes, I do.
Is the sky clear?
Yes, it is.
Do you feel the wind?
Yes, it's strong.
Is it stormy?
No, it's calm.
Do you enjoy summer nights?
Yes, I do.
Is it foggy?
Yes, a little fog.
Do you like winter mornings?
Yes, I love them.
Do you like drawing?
Yes, I do.
Do you play football?
No, I play cricket.
Do you like reading poems?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you write stories?
Yes, short stories.
Do you sing in free time?
Yes, for fun.
Do you like photography?
Yes, very much.
Do you keep a diary?
Yes, I do.
Do you collect stamps?
No, I don't.
Do you use Instagram?
Yes, sometimes.
Is your laptop old?
Yes, very old.
Do you download apps?
Yes, often.
Do you use Google daily?
Yes, I do.
Do you play mobile games?
Yes, PUBG.
Do you watch live videos?
Yes, I do.
Do you know Facebook?
Yes, I use it.
Is your charger working?
Yes, it is.
Do you save photos?
Yes, many.
Do you send emails?
Yes, I do.
Are you nervous?
No, I'm calm.
Are you laughing?
Yes, I am.
Are you crying?
No, I'm not.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am.
Are you in a hurry?
Yes, I am.
Are you waiting?
Yes, for the bus.
Are you talking to me?
Yes, I am.
Are you listening?
Yes, carefully.
Are you learning English?
Yes, every day.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, let's go.
Do you wear shoes?
Yes, I do.
Do you wear a cap?
Yes, in summer.
Do you keep money in your pocket?
Yes, I do.
Do you carry a bag?
Yes, I carry one.
Do you lock your door?
Yes, every night.
Do you ride a horse?
No, I don't.
Do you see the clock?
Yes, it's 5.
Do you keep a key?
Yes, in my pocket.
Do you use an umbrella?
Yes, in the rain.
Do you wash your hands?
Yes, before eating.